Today I am going to make some chocolate mousse for Dan and I using the rest of this Wizard's chocolate that I got from York recently. I'm going to be using the caramel magic chocolate and also the dark chocolate. I'll have a layer of each and I will top it with a bit of extra thick double cream and probably some chocolate orange shavings from the chocolate orange 0% sugar Wizard bar. And I'm going to be using extra thick cream. It's thicker than double cream and doesn't really need much whipping. So let's get down to it. Two delicious chocolate mousses. There's the darker layer on the bottom, which has a bit of whiskey in, and then the caramel chocolate on the top, which has a drop of toffee vodka in. Something nice and boozy. Bit of cream. Just a swirl. And then a little bit of the 0% sugar orange chocolate. And let's give these a try. It's set well, it's nicely aerated. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Wizard chocolate mousse. Delicious. It works so well.